Today we're taking a look at this TERUNSOUL dash cam. It also has a rear camera as well, and it's powered basically with this here. Why would you need one of these? Well, recently I had a deer jump in front of my truck. I didn't have a dash cam. It would have been nice when he jumped in front of the truck to have that footage. You never know what can happen when you're driving. If you have any accidents or collisions, you'll have that right here. It auto records. Once I turn over the key, it'll power on and start recording. You can see the little light blinking right there. So it's auto recording. It's got the front and the back, which is really nice. Everybody should have a dash cam. Included with it, you get a 120 gigabyte micro SD card, which is really nice. Once it reaches the end of the memory, it'll override itself. So it'll start over from the first recording and so on. I highly recommend this. So far, it's been really good. It's a 4K and it's got a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your phone, download all your videos and photos from it, and you can lock certain videos. So if it's cycling, you could have that saved. Also, you could charge your phone using this. It has a spot here for USB-A